Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video I want to show you how you can easily download or install IRS2Go app in your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, head towards your app store, which is a familiar blue icon app with the A in it. And in the above search bar you can just type in IRS2Go and you can find various of search results. For now we want to click the second icon. Remember the icon guys, and type in the gate to start the download process. Here you can be asked about your ID verification either with the touch ID or the face ID. Verify your identity and the download process has been started and the app has been finally installed. You can start the app by just tapping into open and you can use it as per your requirement. Thank you so much for watching video till the end guys. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.